Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to open a file with the context manager in Python. There are multiple ways to open and create files in Python, but the safest way is by using the with keyword. In case we were using the context manager approach. When we are using the open statement, Python delegates to the developer the responsibility to close the file. And this practice can provoke errors since developer sometimes forgets to close it. So the better solution is for developer to use the with statement to handle this situation in a secure way. The with statement automatically closes the file even if an exception is raised. Let's see example. First, we are going to define our main function, and we are going to use with to open file text file.txt, and in the write mode as file, and now we can write to a file by using write method file.write, and here's some text. This will be written to file, and now we are going to call our main function to test if name equals to main. Then we are going to call main function. So this code uses the context manager to open a file and returns the file as an object. Then we call files method write to write text into the created file. Then the with statement handle closing the file for us. We can run our program and check the content of the file. On Linux system, we can use cat command and the file name text file.txt, and just hit enter, and you can see the text written file. There's some text over here. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.